why your summer lead gen is failing, and how to fix it when your ICP is sipping mojitos. Summer is the season of sun, sand, and, for many B2B marketers, a frustrating dip in lead generation. When your ideal customer profile, ICP, say C-suite executives, mid-level managers, or small business owners, is on vacation, your pipeline can feel like a ghost town. The conventional wisdom is to scale back, wait for September, and hope your prospects return refreshed and ready to buy. But that's a losing strategy. In this 1,500-word guide, I'll show you how to keep your lead generation engine roaring through the summer, even when your ICP is lounging by the pool. With a mix of strategic pivots, technical know-how, and creative tactics, you can turn the summer slump into a season of opportunity. Let's dive in. 1. Understand the summer mindset. Your ICP isn't gone, they're distracted. First, let's debunk a myth. Your ICP isn't unreachable in the summer, they're just harder to engage. According to LinkedIn's 2024 B2B marketing report, 68% of decision-makers check work-related platforms sporadically during vacation periods, but their attention spans are shorter. They're scrolling LinkedIn from a beach chair or glancing at emails between family outings. This means your lead gen strategy needs to adapt to their mindset. Light, flexible, and value-driven. Actionable step: audit your ICP's summer behavior. Use tools like LinkedIn Sales Navigator or Apollo.io to track engagement patterns. For example, filter your ICP by job title and industry, then analyze their post interactions or email open rates from June to August in previous years. If you notice spikes in mobile activity, a common summer trend, optimize your campaigns for mobile-first experiences. Think shorter emails, thumb-friendly CTAs, and snackable content. Second, shift your content strategy. Less pitch, more punch. Summer isn't the time for heavy white papers or hour-long webinars. Your ICP is in light mode, so your content should be too. Focus on formats that are easy to consume and emotionally engaging. For instance, a 2023 HubSpot study found that video content sees a 22% higher engagement rate in summer months compared to text-heavy formats. Tactic 1. Micro-content campaigns. Create bite-sized content that delivers value in under 60 seconds. Think LinkedIn carousels, Instagram Reels, or TikTok-style videos. Yes, even for B2B. For example, if your ICP is SaaS founders, post a 30-second video titled, "One Automation Hack to Save You 10 Hours This Summer." Use tools like Canva or Descript to produce polished visuals and captions quickly. Tactic 2. Seasonal storytelling. Lean into summer themes without being cheesy. A cybersecurity company could run a campaign called "Don't Let Hackers Ruin Your Vacation," offering a free security checklist. Use storytelling to make it relatable. Imagine you're on a cruise, sipping a mojito when you get a breach alert. This approach hooks the reader emotionally while subtly pitching your solution. Technical tip: use UTM parameters to track summer-specific campaigns. For example, append.utm source equals LinkedIn and UTM campaign equals summer 2025 to your links. Tools like Google Analytics or Mixpanel can help you measure which formats drive the most clicks and conversions. 3. Optimize your email campaigns. Timing and personalization are everything. Email open rates drop by 15 to 20% in summer per MailChimp's 2024 benchmarks. But that doesn't mean you should pause your campaigns. Instead, optimize for timing and relevance. Tactic 1. Time zone targeting. Your ICP might be vacationing in a different time zone. Use an email platform like Klaviyo or ActiveCampaign to segment your list by location and schedule sends based on their current time zone. For example, if your ICP is in New York but vacationing in Europe, send emails at 9 a.m. CET rather than EST. Tactic 2. Hyper-personalized subject lines. Generic subject lines like Q3 solutions for your business won't cut it. Use dynamic fields to include the recipient's name, company, or industry. For example, John Howe, company name, can prep for a Q4 win this summer. Tools like Outreach or Lemlist allow you to A/B test subject lines to see what resonates. Technical tip: Implement SPF, DKIM, and DMARC protocols to ensure your emails land in the inbox, not the spam folder. Summer sees a spike in phishing attempts, so ISPs are extra vigilant. Use a tool like MX Toolbox to verify your email authentication setup. 4. Leverage automation and AI to scale your efforts. When your ICP is distracted, manual outreach won't scale. Automation and AI can help you stay consistent without burning out your team. Tactic 1. Drip campaigns with behavioral triggers. Set up automated drip campaigns that respond to user actions. For example, if a prospect clicks a link in your summer productivity hacks email but doesn't convert, trigger a follow-up email 48 hours later with a case study. Tools like Marketo or Pardo make this easy to configure. Tactic 2. AI-powered prospecting. Use AI tools like ZoomInfo or Seamless.ai to identify prospects who are active during summer. These platforms can score leads based on engagement signals, such as recent LinkedIn activity or website visits. For example, ZoomInfo's AI can flag prospects who've interacted with your competitors' content, giving you a warm lead to target. Technical tip: integrate your CRM, e.g., Salesforce, with your automation tools to create a single source of truth. Use APIs to sync data in real time, ensuring your team has the latest lead info. If you're on a budget, Zapier can connect most platforms without custom coding. 5. Host low-commitment summer events. Traditional webinars might flop in summer, but low-effort virtual events can thrive. The key is to make them fun, short, and valuable. Tactic 1. Lunch and Learn sessions. Host 20-minute Zoom sessions with a summer twist, like 5 marketing tips to master while you're out of office. Promote them as mobile-friendly and record them for on-demand access. Use Eventbrite or Hopin to manage registrations and track attendance. Tactic 2. Gamified challenges. Launch a summer challenge, like a 7-day productivity sprint for your ICP. Each day, send participants a quick task, e.g., audit one marketing campaign. Use a platform like Typeform to collect responses and offer a prize, like a free consultation or a gift card. This keeps your brand top of mind without feeling salesy. Technical tip: use a pixel tracker, e.g., Facebook Pixel or LinkedIn Insight tag, on your event landing pages to retarget attendees with ads later. This ensures you stay in their orbit even after the event ends. 6. Double down on social listening and community engagement. Summer is a great time to build relationships, not just generate leads. Your ICP might be less responsive to cold outreach, but more open to casual engagement. Tactic 1. Social listening. Use tools like Brandwatch or Mention to monitor summer-related conversations in your industry. For example, if your ICP is in retail, track hashtags like #summer sales or #retail trends. Jump into discussions with value-added comments like "Great point." We've seen a 15% lift in summer conversions with this tactic. Tactic 2. Community building. Join or create niche communities on platforms like Slack, Discord, or LinkedIn groups. For instance, if your ICP is startup founders, join a group like SaaS Founders Network and share summer-specific insights. Avoid pitching. Focus on being helpful to earn trust. Technical tip: use a social media management tool like Hootsuite or Sprout Social to schedule posts and track engagement. Set up keyword alerts to get real-time notifications when your ICP mentions relevant topics. 7. Measure and iterate. Summer is a testing ground. Summer's lower stakes make it the perfect time to experiment. Test new channels, messaging, or audiences, and use the data to refine your year-round strategy. Tactic 1. A/B testing. Run split tests on everything: email subject lines, ad copy, landing page CTAs. For example, test a playful CTA like "grab this deal before your vacation ends" against a standard one like "learn more." Tools like Optimizely or VWO can help you track results. Tactic 2. Pipeline forecasting. Use a CRM with predictive analytics like HubSpot or Pipedrive to forecast how summer leads will impact your Q4 pipeline. This helps you prioritize high-value prospects and allocate resources effectively. Technical tip: create a custom dashboard in your analytics tool, e.g., Tableau, or Google Data Studio to visualize summer performance. Track metrics like cost per lead, CPL, conversion rate, and time to close. Conclusion: turn the summer slump into a strategic win. The summer slump isn't a death sentence for lead generation. It's a chance to get creative, test new ideas, and build relationships that pay off in Q4 and beyond. By understanding your ICP's summer mindset, optimizing your content and email strategies, leveraging automation, hosting engaging events, and doubling down on social engagement, you can keep your pipeline full even when your prospects are on vacation. The key is to stay agile, data-driven, and relentlessly focused on value. So while your competitors are scaling back, you'll be stealing market share. Ready to make this summer your best lead gen season yet? Start with one tactic from this guide, measure the results, and iterate. Your ICP might be sipping mojitos, but they'll still notice a brand that shows up with the right message at the right time.